Here's a big shout out to J&D Gardens on YouTube. They're on YouTube, Etsy, Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest. Uh, they're fellow New Jerseyans, and they have a channel, and it's mostly cannas. They grow canna lilies, and their motto is "Yes, we canna." So I ordered some canna seeds. They're assorted seeds. Come in this cool little jar. Nice little card. Has some cool little logo, and yeah, yes we can. And nice little printed out card. Nice little note on the back. Tells you, you can go to the website or go to their YouTube and check out the germinating Canna Lilly seeds in 5 days or less. I will put a link to their channel, and you can go over, and they also sell canna plants, like starter plants, and they're very reasonable. The seeds were reasonable. They were $15 shipped to my door. Can't beat that deal. Free shipping. I think there's, I don't know, 20 some seeds. They're mixed seeds, so you don't know what you're going to get. That's the thing. You don't know what color, what size. And then they threw in these awesome African marigold seeds. Y'all know I love marigolds. So we're going to see what these come up to be like. There's a ton of seeds in there, man. I appreciate the seeds. And I appreciate the cool card. And go check out J&D Gardens. It's a husband and wife. And go check their YouTube out. It's pretty cool. Good gardening YouTube. Mostly, like I said, cannas, but they have other things on there. Look around. All right, everybody. I can't wait to start these. I don't know when, but I can't wait to do it.